it's amazing as in my last 40 years of experience in medicine. We have heard only one case prior to this, that at workplace there was a rape, murder, and something like that. I remember when I was in Tata Hospital and we used to go to KM Hospital, there was one nurse, Aruna Shanbhag. She was raped by a ward boy in the KM Hospital, and she did not die because he just put a dog, she did not kill her, but she became comatose. And she was there for almost 22 years lying on the bed in the KM Hospital. After that, based only on that issue, Supreme Court has given us the new guideline which we have told you last time, living will and other things. After that, we have never heard that there was any problem as such of rape and murder in a working place. Working place is very important to realize. It is working. म्हणजे ज्या काम करता त्या वर्क प्लेसात अजूनपर्यंत तरी असे काही ब्रुटल जाऊन नसेल. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड सिन्स लॉंग म्हणजे आमच्या म्हाका तरी यादूच जायना की असे वर्क प्लेसार कितें जालां. भायर येस, भायर so many cases are happening up and down, but in workplace where the lady finds itself most secure, थंय ताका सेक्युरिटी मॅक्झिमम आसूंक जाय. थंय आमगे अशें पळयता जाल्यार दिसता की थंय आतां अशें भंय दिसूंक लागला की माय डॉटर फाल्यां वतली कामाक वतले जाल्यार ते परत सेफ घरा येतले काय ना, हें मातशें इम्पॉर्टंट. एटलिस्ट त्या जाग्यार ते खंय काम करता थंय ताका एटलिस्ट बरी सेक्युरिटी मेळची, हीच आमची एक सामकी कमींतल्या कमी मागणी आसा. We are doing it only for 24 hours in Bengal. Makasta, they are sitting for last so many years, so many days. And आम्ही तांकां at least we can express our solidarity to our medical fraternity. And I am very thankful for as nurses आयल्या, pharmacists, chemists, druggists, dental association, then plus आमचे pharmacy और कसा काम आहा मागचे फार्मसी चे मागीर असोसिएशन आहा तांचे, केमिस्ट ड्रगिस्ट सेपरेट असोसिएशन आहा, मेडिकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हांची असोसिएशन आहा, गोवा आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिनचे आहा धर्मेंद्र प्रभुदेसाय आसा. सो ऑल ऑफ अस इन द एंड इट इज द सेक्युरिटी एट वर्कप्लेस. इट इज नॉट ओनली डॉक्टरांचो इश्यू. तो डॉक्टरांचो इश्यू उरूंक ना आता. इट इज द इश्यू ऑफ पीपल हू आर वर्किंग इन अ सेफ एनवायरमेंट ऑल दॅट, अँड स्पेशली लेडीज. Ladies are more than the workforce in Goa government today. The workforce in the Goa government itself is around 60% ladies. So, तांकां जर आमी फाल्यां अशें कॉन्फिडन्स दिवंक शकना किंवा यू कम आउट अँड वर्क, जाल्यार ऑन वॉट बेसीस आमी सांगता की वी आर गिविंग वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट आनी इतके इतके सगळे आमी गोष्टी करतात आनी तांकां आमी सिक्युरिटी दिवंक शकना. आय थिंक दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी दिस इश्यू वी आर हे आमी करतले. आमची ओपीडी बंद आसतली, एमर्जन्सी सगळे सारखे चालू आसतले, पण फाल्यां आमी एज अ मूक मोर्चा आमी काडटले. 9 o'clock आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द डॉक्टर्स, ऑल द असोसिएशन तांचे मेंबर सगळ्यांनी थंय येवचे आनी प्रत्येकान मास्क घालचो, सो दॅट वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू शाउट स्लोगन्स एंड ऑल. सी ऑल द टाइम वी आर फायटिंग दॅट आमचे कडेन पेशंट आमचे कडेन झगडटा, पेशंटाचे रिलेटिव्ह झगडटात, ते आमकां मारतात. सो दॅट इज अवर प्रोफेशनल हेजार्ड आमी म्हणटात. कळ्ळें म्हणजे आमचे हे प्रोफेशनान हे इज अ पार्ट अँड पार्सल. बिकॉज पेशंट मरतकच तांची एक सायट मातशी वेगळी आसता. सगळ्यांकूच दिसता की आपले ते तांची सामके लवेबल आसता, तांकां तांची बरी काळजी घेवची. आमी सगळ्यांची बरी काळजी घेता, बट दॅट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन गॅप असल्या कारणान दोतोरा कडेन टायम नासता उलोवपाक आनी ते प्रॉब्लेमां आसता ही सगळी. बट दॅट वॉज अंडरस्टँड. दीस इज नथींग टू डू विथ दॅट. दॅट्स वाय खूपच वायट दिसता की हे आमच्या रेग्युलर प्रोफेशनाचे नाच काय असो. दीस इज टोटली आउट ऑफ. सो माय सिन्सियर रिक्वेस्ट टू नॉट ओनली द मेडिकल फिल्डांतले पण बाकीच्याय फिल्डांतले एनजीओज कोण आसा तांणी फाल्यां सकाळी आपली हजेरी लावन प्लीज सी दॅट दे आर शोन ऑफ दॅर सॉलिडॅरिटी विथ इफ नॉट IMA ॲटलिस्ट बायलांच्या वर्क प्लेसाची सेफ्टी ह्या इश्यूचेर तरी तांणी सगळ्यांनी फाल्यां आमची नवा आझाद मैदानाचेर येवचे अँड दे पार्टिसिपेट अँड शो सॉलिडॅरिटी फॉर अवर डॉक्टर्स आणि लेडीज ॲट वर्क प्लेस.
Actually, the guard members, they had come here, but they could not get official permission to be here, so they left. But they left a message that they want to be a part of this. तांकां आमचो जो फाल्यां प्रोटेस्ट आसा ते जॉइन जावपाचें आसा. कित्याक तांचे बी अशेच प्रॉब्लेम आसता की तांकां केन्ना केन्ना 16 वरां 24 वरां आतां जें चली द गर्ल हू वॉज मर्डर्ड अँड रेप, एक्चुअली शी वॉज एट द एंड ऑफ 36 hours of duty. So this is something beyond human. This is not acceptable. So when the doctors, they work in GMC or Goa Medical College or other government medical college, often they are faced with this stress and they have to be continuously be on duty for a prolonged period of time. And being like this with the continuous physical mental stress, it bounds to like it affects the patient care also. So I think government should also take a note of this, and from a humanitarian point of view, from human right point of view, I think they should curtail their duty also so that they can work with more efficiency towards that patient with a better patient care.
Goa State Branch and President Nilima Rani. I support victims' demand. I support demand of IMA Goa Branch. I support Indian Medical Association's demand, and also I urge with government to provide proper lighting area, means in campus lighting, security, safety of female employees as well as male also, because nowadays people are attacking male doctors also. Recently one problem had happened in Goa Medical College, and another to that we need to ask government now that even resident campus inside the compound of the medical college, not from away from 2 meter, 3 kilometers away. Now present system we have no in-campus accommodation for doctors and nurses also. Nurses don't need more accommodation, only they wanted a restrooms.
ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ म्हणजे तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव सगळ्यांक उलो मारता की सगळ्यांनी जॉईन जावचे ह्या मार्चान आनी सॉलिडेरिटी दाखोवची, कित्याक हे आज जे जाल्ले आसा ते देर इज अ हिनस क्रायम. दिस नोबडी कॅन सपोर्ट दिस. प्लस this has to stop somewhere and there has to be protection to be given, as Dr. Salkar just now said. Plus आमकां अशें दिसता की आज हे जर त्या तांकां जावंक शकताले फाल्यां आमच्याय फिल्डान कोणाकूय जावंक शकता. आनी आमचो लेडीज वर्कफोर्स सुद्दां इतलो आसता की जर प्रोटेक्शन ना जाल्यार काम जावपूच शकना. सो आय अपील टू ऑल द बॉडीज टू come in large numbers tomorrow and express solidarity.
I am Colonel Parag Prabhu Desai, ex-Indian Army. I am representing Indian Dental Association, Goa branch. I have come here to support humanity. I have come here to support IMA Goa and IMA India.
Vice President of Goa Private Dental Practitioners Association. So here, we are also here to express our solidarity with the victim, the families, and the present situation, the lack of justice that is visibly seen, lack of action that is not being taken. And doctors, colleagues have already briefed you all on the fact that safety in the workplace. And in our dental field, we see most of our practitioners are young ladies, and many of them have isolated single practices and which function till late in the evening. And it is really of concern and we share the sentiment and we express full solidarity with our colleagues and the victim and the family.